And River, you are safe tonight. That means,
Bye-bye.
I'm sorry, Shuvi and Clarice.
Love you all.
Your duo has just been evicted from the Big Brother house. Housemates, magpaalam na kayo kina Shuvi at Clarice.
Hindi naman matatanggal ako'y nasasaktan. Pero kahit na mahirap
Mag-aaway. Nika, kitchen.
pagdaanan hanggang sa muli